Every long-term care facility has hundreds of fixed assets that depreciate over time. Your beds, furniture, nurse carts, computers, transport vans, ice machines, and kitchen equipment, to name a few, are constantly losing value. Keeping track of all of that is very time-consuming, if not impossible with spreadsheets. But imagine you are able to automatically flow all of your journal entries directly into a system that automatically keeps track of everything for you. That would mean bigger tax breaks and substantially less work managing it all. At Experience Care, we've developed a solution, the Fixed Assets Module. This innovative feature gives you accurate readings of the monthly depreciation of your assets that you won't get from accounting tools that only focus on inventory management, like Excel and QuickBooks. That could translate to big savings on your taxes. Furthermore, the Fixed Assets Module will reduce your financial management costs dramatically by reducing the hours your CPA works. So, just how does the Fixed Assets Module work? It's integrated with the NetSolutions General Ledger and automates the workflow of fixed assets purchases, monthly depreciation, and more. That means it will track your monthly depreciation expenses and give you access to a precise amount of your tax-deductible assets with just a few clicks. The Fixed Assets Module also links new assets to master groups with the General Ledger account codes and depreciation types for a quicker setup. What if an asset is depreciating too quickly and you want to carry those tax breaks over to another year? Well, with the Fixed Assets Module, you can suspend assets by putting them on hold. It's as simple as toggling the on-off button to deactivate or activate as needed. And don't worry, the Fixed Assets Module will be sure to keep track of all dates of inactivity. Why use a primitive solution that makes keeping track of your tax deductions difficult and is prone to mistakes that could cost you thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars? Why overpay a CPA to do something that you can get done with a few easy clicks of your EHR? Contact Experience Care to have your Fixed Assets Module configured today and get more accurate readings of your depreciating assets, how you want them and when you want them.